Hey there, welcome back to New Tech Look, the channel where we explore the latest gadgets and bring you honest reviews. I'm Chris, and today we're diving into the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. Is it worth upgrading from its predecessor? Let's find out. The OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G is a mid-range smartphone that offers competitive performance, decent battery life, fast charging, and a solid camera suite. But does it bring enough improvements to justify an upgrade? Let's break it down. Starting with the pros, this phone delivers competitive performance, ensuring smooth multitasking and app handling. The battery life is decent, lasting through a full day with regular use. And speaking of battery, the fast charging capabilities have been significantly improved, going from 33W to a whopping 67W, meaning you can top up your device in no time. Lastly, the camera suite offers solid image quality, capturing detailed shots. On the flip side, the display of the Nord CE3 Lite 5G is weaker compared to its predecessor, with slightly lower pixel density and color performance. The night photography capabilities could be better, leaving some room for improvement. Overall, it may not be the substantial upgrade we were hoping for. Internally, the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G shares many components with its predecessor, the Nord CE2 Lite 5G. While there are some minor improvements in RAM and the main camera, the overall performance remains largely similar. In terms of design, the Nord CE3 Lite 5G sports a glossy plastic back with circular camera modules. The 6.72-inch display is slightly larger than its predecessor, but unfortunately, the display quality isn't as impressive. Powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G processor, this phone delivers competitive performance for day-to-day tasks. However, when it comes to intensive gaming, it may struggle a bit with frame rate drops. Moving on to the camera capabilities, the Nord CE3 Lite 5G features an upgraded 108MP main camera, capturing decent image quality with accurate colors. So, is the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G worth upgrading to? Well, if you're a fan of OnePlus and looking for competitive performance, solid battery life, and a decent camera suite, this phone checks those boxes. That wraps up our review of the OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to New Tech Look for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one.